And I would like to, first of all, thank you all for being here today. I think this is one of the most important events that we have every year in the PhD program in aerospace engineering. It's something that typically you highlight as one of the most interesting things for you because you have to expose, to present your work either in a poster if you're in the first year or in a presentation mode. You are practicing, you are exposing yourself in front of qualified audience, faculty of the department, eventually also all your PhD colleagues. And most importantly, besides the scientific content, we also have some breaks, coffee and lunch breaks in which to talk, in which to meet, in which to discuss. You can see my face, you can know me. Also all the faculty people. Also, there are some students working at INTA or at industry or even somewhere outside Spain, and they come here. We have people from von Karman Institute that we can meet, and so on and so forth. I think that that's important from that perspective as well. So, having said that, just to introduce you a bit the agenda, it is quite packed, and I'm sorry. We are trying to find the best suite every year, and last year we found the poster sessions quite attractive, but it was just during the first day. The second, third, and fourth day, they were a bit empty because people could not make it. So we thought that packing everything into 2 consecutive days, as in a real conference, would be convenient. It's true that we're gonna overshoot the typical end of business hour because we're gonna probably finish today at 6:30 and tomorrow as well. But it is what it is, okay? We have a welcome that I will finish in 2 minutes, so I don't intend to be talking here for 20 minutes. We have then a track devoted to aircraft operations. You're going to see a lot of stuff about aviation and climate change, contrails, and so on and so forth. Then we'll have the poster teasers. We have 22 people, the newcomers to the program. They're going to present themselves quick, 1 minute each. This is my name. This is the topic of my thesis. I'm working under the supervision of whoever. Maybe it's an industrial PhD. Maybe I'm working at INTA or von Karman Institute. Just so that you present yourself, right? Quick. You will have one single slide that you can use to present something. And should be quick, and in 20 minutes we should be done. And the idea is to invite the audience, visit your posters, and foster discussions in the room, okay? For today and for tomorrow. Also, it's nice for me because I don't know, I know your names, all the names, but not the faces. So for me it's also important. Then after the coffee break is, you know where it is, right? But if not, follow the people, follow the leaders, okay? Whoever they are. Then we'll have a session devoted to aerodynamics, combine experimental aerodynamics with computational fluid dynamics. And then we'll have lunch a bit tight. So if you, a bit tight, half an hour just, but at least we'll have the lunch. And then after after lunch, we'll have, again, aerodynamics, a bit of aerodynamics and aircraft operations devoted to forecasting meteorological hazards, so it's also somehow related to fluids. Then in the afternoon, aerospace tethers, both in space and on the ground, related to airborne wind energy. And then tomorrow, we'll have aircraft design and space systems, astrodynamics, so GNC stuff, space debris, and so on and so forth. And then in the afternoon, we'll have electric propulsion, right? So plasma thrusters and the applications in space. That's the program. And well, let's go for it.